G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's going to be kind of a quick short one, but I want to show you guys how you can turn your shop vac into a carpet extracting machine and also a carpet extracting professional device. So stay tuned. I will link everything in the video description down below of my current setup, what I have, so it's easy for you to get to after this video if it's something that interests you. But I will show you what I've got, we'll set it up, and just go over a general overview of how it is, how it looks, how it feels, is it quality, is it not? And I think you guys are going to be very surprised because for the money, you can have a professional grade carpet extractor. So what I got, box here, from RIPCLEAN. This is their Betterextractor kit, is what I got. This is not their starter kit or their pro kit, so this is going to be their Betterextractor. We'll open it up, we'll take a look to see what the contents here inside are. Excuse the unboxing, I don't currently have a workbench to set it all on, so we're just doing it by hand. But as you can see in the box, you're gonna have their little brochure. In here you're going to have the nozzle, and then your hose and water hose along with 3 Velcro straps. So here are the 3 Velcro straps, nice branded RIPCLEAN straps. There's 3 of these. You're going to use these to attach the water hose to the vacuum hose on this. I'll get that out and show it next. So when we do a setup, I'll show you also on the setup. Then we also have the head here with the water hose. As you can see, a very nice brass valve with your water end on it, a nice clear nozzle on it so you can see everything, all the junk that you're extracting. And then the hose, nice quick connect fittings. They are already Teflon taped. There's a little bit of Teflon hanging off. That's not a big deal. It's not going to hurt anything. And then this is going to connect to your water hose. This is also going to screw onto your vacuum hose. Sometimes when you get them, they do mention, as you can see, it is a little bit squished down in the box right here. Just set it out in the sun or just put it on. It'll go on very easy. It's got a nice rubber overmolded handle along with a rubber overmolded trigger for your water application. Up next is going to be your water hose. So a nice braided, try to get it close so you can see it. You can see the braids in it there. So it is a nice little bit solid hose. We have some very nice ends with some brass fittings, quick connects. That is going to go on your nozzle itself, and then on the other end you have your hose adapter. So you can hook this up to your garden hose, or you can hook this up to your sink, or if you have hot water next to your garden hose, if you have a better, more complete detail setup than what I have. I wish I had some hot water in here, but you can hook it up to hot water, or you can just use cold water. Cold water is going to be sufficient in what you're doing. Cold water is going to do what I need it to do. But here is the water hose, and this is what you're going to use the Velcro straps on, attaching it to the vac hose. And then hopping in, here is the vac hose. Here's your connector that's going to go to your shop vac. This hose feels nice and quality. You can see on the end right here, this is going to be the end that screws into your nozzle, into the head. It's just going to screw on with just your regular hose. This is kind of basically like a big thread on it. So that'll screw on very easily and go together, and then you just plug this end into your shop vac. For assembly, for your hose and your nozzle, it's going to be very simple. You're just going to press your hose in there just a little bit like so, and then you're going to go ahead and then just screw this down onto your vac hose. You'll feel it tighten up. It'll get nice and snug. You don't need to over tighten it, and now you have a secure connection. Next, we're just going to go ahead and connect our water hose, so you can now see we have the vac hose attached to our nozzle, to the sucker end here. So we'll get that water hose connected. We'll also get the Velcro straps on here. I'll show that probably outside once we lay it all out on the ground to show you length and everything, and then how to set up your shop vac to accept this and to do the job you need to do. So connecting your water hose to the end, very easy. Just pull back your collar just like your pressure washers, put it in, now you have a nice secure connection. So now you can kind of see what I was talking about. You're going to use your Velcro straps holding this water hose along your vac hose just to kind of secure it. The one thing I forgot to mention is the water hose is 50 feet long, so it is a very long hose. It's going to reach to a lot of places that is accessible where your water is at when you're doing detailing. But that is this part here, setting this up. We'll head on out, we'll hook it up to the shop vac, we'll throw the Velcro straps on it, I'll show you the overall length and also what you should do to your shop vac to get it set up to accept water for doing carpet extractions. So here is the shop vac that I have that I'm going to be using. It is a Craftsman 16 gallon, 6.5 horse, and that's what we're going to be using for carpet extracting. As you can see, I have the hose out. I went ahead and threw the Velcro straps on because that's not very hard to do. But you can see this hose is very long, and then right over here, like I said, we've got 50 feet of the water hose right here, and it's still curled up, so that is going to reach areas very easily wherever the water is accessible for you. So all I really need to do is pull the hose off of it, lift the top, make sure I have the correct filter in the vacuum to accept water, and I will kind of show you guys that as well, and then literally just plug the RIPCLEAN hose into the shop vac. So that goes in very nice, tight, secure. Feels really good. Pull the top off. You can see we just have a regular filter in this. So I'm going to pull this filter, and then I will put in just the foam filter, because you do not want to use a regular filter on a shop vac while you're sucking up anything that's wet, because it will plug this. So right here is the foam filter. As you can see, it is literally just foam. That's going to keep debris going into your motor on your vacuum, and then it's not going to plug up like a paper element filter will. So literally that's all there is to putting in and swapping it out to make your shop vac do wet. Latch the lid on, and then that is literally all there is to it. I'll hook water up, show the spray pattern on this so you guys can kind of see how that is, how does that work, and I'll do a quick little demonstration of using it. But there is the unboxing of the RIPCLEAN Betterextractor. So I went ahead, got it hooked up to the hose, and as you can see, it has a very nice wide spray pattern. Puts out a very decent amount of water. This valve, very quality. I love all the brass and the stainless. It's just a really nice setup. Very professional. This is a professional grade. Just absolutely love it. I'll show some videos of it so you can see it extracting the nastiness out of some carpet, and then we'll get into my final thoughts. All right, so there you go. There is the RIPCLEAN Betterextractor. Very simple. What comes in the box, very easy to use. As I mentioned, this is the basic kit. This isn't the starter or the pro kit that they have. Those do come with a few more options and a few more things, but I just needed to go with the basic because that's what I was looking for. And as you can see, this is a very quality product. Everything from the end to the hoses, I absolutely love it. I showed a little bit of it there in action. It works absolutely awesome. I love the hardware that they include on it because I love the brass and the stainless, and you can tell just by holding it, using it, it's very ergonomic. It feels great in the hand, and it does a fantastic job of extracting all the cleaner, dirt, grime, everything out of the carpet that you are tackling and dealing with. So overall, I absolutely love the Betterextractor from RIPCLEAN. It's a great quality product coming in at a good price point. Some people might find it a little bit more expensive, but for having something that is literally, you just open the box, you just attach your water hose, put the end on your vac hose, hook it up to your shop vac, swap your filter out, ready to go. Very easy to use. You're not guessing on parts, trying to piece one together. So this product, I absolutely love it. Great product that RIPCLEAN has made here. So definitely 2 thumbs up for me. I am excited. Now I can start doing a little bit more carpet extraction, stain, spot removals, carpet shampoos, whatever customers are needing. So absolutely love it. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping and checking out today's video. Hopefully it was helpful or informative. Remember, smash that thumbs up if you like this video. Drop a comment down below. What do you think of the product? Have you tried it? Do you use it? Or is it something that you're looking at? But that is all for this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.